Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is once again turning predictions into reality, at least half the story. Yesterday, I anticipated a bearish dip into the long liquidation leverage box south of 83.3 thousand, followed by a potential rip to the upside if it broke above the blue dotted horizontal line at 84.6 thousand. And the rip up is what happened. Bitcoin blasted through resistance, hitting a high of 86.8 thousand in the last hour. As I mentioned before, I had a limit order set just above the blue dotted line to catch this move. It executed automatically at $85,025. A textbook successful entry without needing to be on my phone or computer. In the past 24 hours, the market saw $159.69 million in total liquidations, with 52.94 million from longs and 106.74 million from shorts. The 3-day liquidation heat map shows that the market punished late shorts that piled in over the weekend with higher leverage, leading to a cascade up. The first short liquidation box from 84.6 to 85.7 thousand was wiped out. Bitcoin then reached the second layer from 86.8 to 87.3 thousand, with an additional hot zone around 86.1 to 86.8 thousand getting absorbed quickly. Given that only 106.74 million in shorts were liquidated, it seems many bears closed positions manually just before hitting liquidation levels. This aggressive short covering helped pump the market even higher, causing a domino effect of upward pressure. What triggered this bullish run? Two significant news events over the weekend. First, the US White House hinted at potentially using gold reserves to purchase Bitcoin. With over $750 billion in potential buying power, this could usher in what some are calling the golden age of Bitcoin. Second, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, introduced new digital asset rules under BPM 7, officially adding Bitcoin to global money tracking. Similar to gold or land, Bitcoin transactions across borders will now be monitored as property trades. Chapter 16 of the new guidelines specifically covers digital assets, including security tokens, a massive regulatory milestone. Some rated this as the IMF finally bending the knee and calling it digital gold, but that would stretch the original statement a lot. Adding to the bullish sentiment, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, hinted on Sunday that he plans to accumulate more Bitcoin soon. What's next for Bitcoin? If the bullish momentum sustains, the next critical zone to watch is between 88,600 and 90,100. This area is not just another horizontal resistance, it aligns with key short liquidation clusters visible on the 1-month heat map, suggesting potential liquidity-driven volatility. If we see heavy short interest stacking up again, it could fuel another upward squeeze. However, if the heat map starts cooling down, or if we notice a shift in leverage ratios, a pullback toward the previous breakout zone at 86.6 thousand is possible. Staying flexible is key. As we've seen, late shorts can get punished hard, but complacency on the long side can be just as costly. Let's keep an eye on how the market structure evolves. I will keep you updated daily. Join our free Discord, hit the like button, and click subscribe with the notification bell for daily updates. And see you in the next one.